Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get a lovely Pro Access Tailgate with this vehicle, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get a nice little AC outlet here. You can turn your bed lights on or off, hooks and doodads, hold your gear down. Nice little measurement as well. It is powered, so it will go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front. Gripped running boards on either side. Keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, spotlight indicated, and side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seem to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior. We got plenty of storage in the back here, B&O sound system, cup holders and storage, 120 volt heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers. We do get your tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 16 kilometers. We got this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders. We have wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Center console with an interior work surface. Put your paperwork, food, laptop, anything you like, and it still works as a normal center console. We have our rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooling front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash. Nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop, auto start, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We have hazards traction and a lovely 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, and you can keep your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the app CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA11642, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.